11:29 a.m. Woke up late as fuck as always, but every day just seems like a weekend or a holiday to me. It's like all I really have to do is work max 1 to 2 hours a day and then I'm chilling, and guess what? I still make 100K a month online, so life's pretty interesting, but pretty good. With that being said, it is a Tuesday. Don't really have much going on besides like a meeting or two later in the afternoon. So in the meantime, I'm gonna hit a quick little workout, pool, hot tub, sauna, steam room combo, and yeah, we'll see what else I do for the rest of the day. So with that being said, let's get the day started. Let's go. I've listened to the past 2 years of Alex Mosey's podcast, basically meaning from now all the way up until August 2022. All the podcasts in between, I've already listened to all of them. So now I don't really have much to really learn or listen to in terms of audio while I'm working out or while I'm just doing chores or have free time, because I don't really listen to music, to be real. I just like try to learn as much as possible. So now your boy is back in the audiobook grind. This is actually how I first got started in terms of personal development and trying to get into entrepreneurship. I honestly don't like to read, but I do like to listen. So I downloaded the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill back in 2019 while I was driving to summer class for college, and it just got me hooked into trying to learn, grow, and just be the best version of myself possible. I know that's corny, but that's what really got me into entrepreneurship. That summer, I probably listened to 10 to 15 audiobooks, and then eventually once I had enough money to buy courses and mentorship and masterminds, I started learning more from those. Now that I've gone through pretty much every course out there, every mentorship out there, and I have a multimillionaire partner, so there's not a lot other masterminds or mentorships could teach me now, because my business partner has literally done $800,000 a month by himself teaching me what to do. There's not a whole lot of material I could go through right now. So we're gonna go back to the basics, back to audiobooks. And so books don't really teach you the strategies or the tactics or the specific things to do, but they do teach you the principles of how to think. You kind of just had to understand like what are the overall things the book is trying to teach you, and how can you apply that specifically to your life? Because as you know, like books take about like 1 to 2 years to publish, and so they can't give you any specific action steps to do because the world's always changing. Things are always updating, but they can't teach you the principles on how to think. And so that's what I do with books like these. Like right now I'm listening to the book Reality Transurfing. I honestly don't know what it's about yet. Just a friend recommended it to me, but I'm just gonna look at what is the book trying to tell me, and how can I apply it to my business, and how can I apply it to my life. And even if it's like a small golden nugget, like that one golden nugget can transform everything and change my life even more. And worst case, as a content creator, a lot of our ideas stem from the inputs we put in our brain, right? There's this common saying in business, garbage in, garbage out. So if you want to produce good content on social media, AKA your outputs, you're gonna have to take in good information first. So instead of scrolling on Instagram or YouTube or listening to brain rot stuff, you gotta put good information into your brain so that you can produce better content. I'm not talking about like copying and spitting back verbatim what like the books are saying on social media, but what I am saying is once you learn the lessons from these books and from good information, and then you apply it to your life and you learn lessons by taking action on the books, then you have more unique perspectives and lessons to share on social media based on your experiences. So for me, like I never talk about what to do or what you should do. I always just talk about what I'm learning and what I've done. And so obviously when I take in information like this, where it's like different principles and how to think, and I apply that to my life, now I have an infinite amount of things to talk about on social media to share to you guys. So yeah, that's just the power of continuing to learn and continuing to prove. Like I never want to stay stagnant thinking I know everything, because every time I think that way, my business goes in a plateau and I go stagnant. So yeah, we're back in the audiobook grind. It almost gives me nostalgia or flashbacks to when I first started entrepreneurship, but feels good. With that being said, let's keep listening.
Sorry, I'm just getting a little familiar. This is the first time seeing this chat room or like video conference.
Pretty cool, right?
Doing excellent, just taking these calls and doing pretty interesting.
Oh, I didn't even see this. This looks kind of cool. By the beach.
Of course you want to go to like this big pit.
We should probably get rid of the piano.
Yeah, where's this one?
Alright, let's just...
Alright, get out of the room. We are recording. So, with that being said, I see a couple new faces here, so just let me know. Do you guys know who I am, what I do? I make 100K a month online. Been making 100K a month since I was 22. Now I'm at like 450 something K followers on IG. Basically, I run a marketing agency. That's how I started making money online. I am tired as hell, about to go to bed. Not much to yap about today. Yeah, like I wish I could give you some like fancy update or some exciting new changes, but honestly, main focus right now is just continuing to keep growing my traffic through Instagram and YouTube. Keep trying to convert at the highest level possible. We just onboarded another closer today, so now we got 2 killer closers on the phone, and just trying to make sure my free class / webinar this Thursday is the best it possibly could be. So a lot of exciting things to work on. As you see, like business isn't always sunshine and rainbows with all these exciting things you got to do. Like there's just a lot of like boring shit you have to work on and improve, and sometimes it's really hard to see like how to keep improving what you're working on. But yeah, that's just the reality of business, and you get to see what it's like every day, because I'm not stopping these daily YouTube vlogs anytime soon. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, like, comment below your biggest takeaways down below, and other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.